So hello everyone, today here we are to learn about something new, and today's our topic is augmented reality. So before we go ahead, a big thank you to all of you. Now we have crossed the viewership of more than 10,000 views. So as a teacher, our major task is to create excitement in the classroom about the subject. And as a science teacher, what not? Then the AR. What exactly is augmented reality is there on your screen. We'll be learning about how we can actually get the skeleton in the home of the student, how we can get the tigers and the other animals in the student's home. Let's understand what exactly is augmented reality. And first thing we need to do is go to Google. So in the Google browser, when we are here in the Google browser, what we'll do, first thing is we'll type skeleton and 3D. So let's see, the moment I type skeleton 3D, you will get this on your screen, and there's an option of view in 3D. If you can observe, you need to just click on view in 3D. It will lead you to the skeleton, which is there on your screen. There's an option of view in your space. If you can observe there, the option of view in your space, you need to just click on that, and it will ask for taking out to a screen which is very near. So let's go back to the place, which is the option would be point your phone down at the empty space and move it around slowly. And you can see the moment I'm taking it to my bed, and I can see the skeleton on my screen, and student will be very excited that they have got the skeleton at their home. They can just click on the button in the center and they can actually record. They can also go and stand next to it and click the photo, and they can take a recording with it. They can also point it across, and this way we can study about skeleton. This is about human skeleton. So going back, see, I'll type tiger in the Google browser, and I need to just type tiger. And the moment I type that, you can see at the bottom I get an option of view in 3D. It says meet a life-sized Bengal tiger up close. So let's click on that, and again it will lead me to the same procedure. You can see there are multiple animals here. There's golden retriever, French bulldog, Pomeranian, Labrador, pug, giant panda. You can hear also the sound which is coming here. We can have cheetah here. All these animals are there, and I'll be showing you some of them on in the Google augmented reality and on my bed. Let's see. So again, we need to just click on view in your space. It will ask you for empty space. The moment I take it on the empty space, and you can see again on my bed, I have the tiger ready. You can see this, and I can just rotate it, and you can hear the sound also of the tiger roaring in front of us. Now, if I want the other animal, what I could do is I'll just need to, let's say I'll pick a giant panda. So let's see if I can get giant panda on my bed. And yes, I could see a giant panda here. You can see this way. Interestingly, let's see what happened with the golden eagle, if I could get it. And you can see how interestingly we can create fun in the classroom. You can hear the sound also, and student will be able to relate it well. You need to just click on this, and we are back here with the concept. So this is all about augmented reality. It out and create fun in the class, create excitement in the class. And if you have tried and you felt that it was new for you, do put your comment in the comment box. That's it from my end. Thank you and have a great time. Bye bye.